It's the first time I've met Alex face to face, and he came across as very much the way it is online, very heartwarming. He wants to be there for you, I get that. He's not just come to my seminars and you'll never see me. No, it's very much, you'll meet me face to face. Whatever I'm telling you online is what I'll be telling you in person. And it's straightforward. There's no gimmicks, there's no gags. It's just, here it is. I'm giving you the tools. Take them, use them. So yeah, there's nothing hidden. I love that. So during the conference, both Peter and Alex gave us snippets of what we could use ourselves as product ideas. So my husband and I went back to our hotel and we did the eGrow research and we just went boom, boom, boom. And there it was. So yes, we found at least 4 different things we never thought we could use straight away, but we've also got 4 products that we want to put on Amazon straight away. So yeah, it's really exciting. I've learned that I can actually do it. It doesn't matter if you're 23, 33, 43, 53. You can do this. This can create something magical for you if you want to give it a go. But you need to put in. And I've learned that. So I'm doing an instant career change come next week and telling a few clients that I won't be around next month. I'll be doing something else. So yeah, that's very exciting. If you're unhappy with your current job, if you're unhappy with the way your debts are creeping up and you're not paying them back, if you're unhappy with the way you're purchasing something online and you're not getting the customer satisfaction, come along, change it.